Hello, this is Brian Resney. It's question and answer day. A lot of the questions that I receive from my TV and radio listeners are around specific investment themes. As an example, oil's down substantially year to date. So we've been receiving a lot of questions from various people in regards to oil. Do you feel oil's bottom? Do you feel it's an opportunity? And I'm going to talk a little bit about sectors that have been beaten down 20 or 30%, let's say, year to date, as we are into the fourth quarter and what normally happens. When you have an investment, whether it's an individual stock or let's say a sector like oil, and it's down 20 or 30% year to date and you're going into the fourth quarter, often what happens is some of those investments will actually do quite poorly or languish even more going into usually around December 15th because of tax loss selling. Portfolio managers who manage money, like a firm like ours, would look at positions that maybe haven't done as well as we wanted. We may sell those positions for a tax loss, lock that in. It doesn't mean we may not rebuy that position after a 30-day wait based upon IRS guidelines for a tax loss sale, or we might buy something that is similar if we feel there's going to be a rebound. So oil's a great example of this. Oil's down a lot year to date, over 20%. And ultimately, I think oil could be an opportunity longer term, but I wouldn't touch oil at this point in the juncture because you're in tax loss selling territory. I would wait till after December 15th because that's usually when a lot of it seems to be done. Wait for some positive trend changes, meaning you have the daily price, you start to see some of our short-term indicators like the MACD become positive. You see things like money flow become positive. Short-term indicators that show there's money reacting and going into that particular sector. Also watch for the daily price above the 35-day exponential moving average. At least now you have confirmation that you're starting to get an uptrend. It's not a guarantee of a profit, but using short-term indicators like the 35-day exponential moving average to show an uptrend is usually better to buy into an uptrend than buying into something that's in a downtrend and negative. Remember, relative strength in. You don't want to buy relative weakness. Remember that and watch tax loss selling for year end. If you own positions in your portfolio that are down quite a bit year to date, now might be appropriate time to sell. Take that tax loss, revisit that investment after December 15th or later, because that might be the appropriate time to buy it so you can lock in a tax loss, regain some of your loss through taxation or maximization of deductions. Great strategy, not often used by most investors. If you're not a client of our firm, call us. It's time you became a client. Schedule a consultation today. Make sure you have yourself a safe and profitable day.